What is the process for transferring money from a credit card to a debit card?
Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the process of transferring money from a credit card to a debit card. This is a procedure that might come in handy when you need immediate funds in your checking account, so let's break down the steps and get you up to speed.
Can you directly transfer money from credit to debit?
Well, the straightforward answer is, it's not typically possible to transfer funds directly from a credit card to a debit card. Instead, what most people actually do is carry out a cash advance from the credit card and then deposit that cash into the bank account linked to the debit card.
How can I access cash from my credit card?
1. ATM cash advances. Like your debit card, you can use your credit card at an ATM to withdraw cash. Remember, you'll likely face a transaction fee, and the interest rates for cash advances can be significantly higher than your card's usual rate. 2. Over-the-counter. Visit your bank or financial institution and ask for a cash advance using your credit card. They will typically provide you with cash or a check. 3. Cash advance checks. Some credit card companies send checks to their cardholders that can be used to draw from the credit limit.
How do I deposit this cash to my debit card's linked account?
Once you've obtained the cash, 1. Bank visit. You can physically visit your bank branch and deposit the money. 2. ATM deposits. Use your bank's ATMs to deposit the cash or checks into your account. 3. Mobile banking. If you have a check, some banks offer mobile banking apps that allow for mobile check deposits.
What should I be cautious about?
Interest rates. Cash advances can come with hefty interest rates which start accruing immediately, unlike purchase rates which might have a grace period. Fees. Both your bank and credit card company might charge you fees for cash advances. Impact on credit score. Taking large cash advances might be seen as risky behavior, potentially affecting your credit score. Transferring money from a credit card to a debit card involves a middle step of getting a cash advance and then depositing it. Always be cautious and aware of the costs involved. We hope this guide has been helpful in understanding the process, and as always, manage your finances wisely.